Cisco's Webex Calling, keeping your team connected, your work secure. Did you know Webex is not just about web conferencing? It's so much more than that now. Webex Calling is to call, message, meet, and even function as a contact center, a full-featured enterprise-grade cloud PABX solution for small and mid-sized contact centers that empowers companies to drive loyalty and lifetime value. It's your choice of full collaboration suite that drives productivity and makes workplace transformation a reality. Even if you're an existing user of Microsoft Teams, Cisco Webex provides easy integration to your current setup, allowing you seamless collaboration or move calls between devices. You can now make outgoing calls from Microsoft Teams. What's more, Cisco Webex Calling has a comprehensive set of features to offer. Cisco Webex Calling automates the workflow of the support center agent. It serves as a receptionist that answers the phone and routes calls to various destinations, employees within your company, and specific groups of employees, voicemail, or other outside numbers. Your customer experience is managed by the automated system with company greeting and dialing menu options. Digitize your support center with the call queue solution and not miss any more calls. Call queues temporarily hold calls in the cloud when all users assigned to receive calls from the queue are unavailable. Call queue provides an automated answer with customizable greetings, comfort messages, and hold music for the caller to listen to. Queued calls are routed to an available agent when he or she is no longer on an active call. Agents can be situated in multiple locations. Each call queue is assigned a lead number, which is a telephone number outside callers can dial to reach the agents assigned to the call queue. Your customer experience journey can be customized based on business needs or preference. Example: longest idle time, availability, voicemail. To avoid dropout calls, calls will be attended timely. Voicemail will be sent to an email to a central pool for agents to pick up and address. Cisco Webex Calling comes with the features and benefits of traditional phones and adds a central collaboration tool. Enhance your operating resiliency today with Cisco's Webex Calling solution. Your calling and collaboration needs for today and in the future. Contact us to find out now.